Looking to withdraw funds from your Fidelity account using their mobile app? Whether it's from your brokerage, savings, or other accounts, accessing your money on the go is convenient. In this guide, I'll show you how to initiate a withdrawal using the Fidelity app. To initiate a withdrawal, open and log in to the Fidelity mobile app. Navigate to the specific account from which you wish to withdraw funds. Look for an option like Transfer, Withdraw, or Move Money. You'll then typically choose the destination for your withdrawal. This could be a linked bank account, another Fidelity account, or potentially a check by mail. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Finally, review the withdrawal details carefully before confirming the transaction. Fidelity often requires a secure authentication method to authorize withdrawals for your security. The funds will then be processed and sent to your chosen destination. And there you have it. Withdrawing on the Fidelity app is a straightforward process. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.